All right. So here we are back at Hugging Face Agents course, Unit 2.1, the Small Agents Framework. Why use small agents? All right. So here we are, license to call. We got Small Bond over here, having a good time, pointing guns at each other. It's his, you know, he likes being an agent. So let's go. In this module, we're going to explore the pros and cons of using small agents, helping us make an informed decision about whether it's the right framework for our needs. Okay. So what is small agents? This seems pretty familiar. Let's do the old this. All right. And let's do this too while we're at it. What is this one? Why use small agents? Okay, cool. Okay. Why use small agents? Why use small agents? Why? Let's see. So what is it? So what is small agents? So what is small agents? What is it actually? It's a simple yet powerful framework for building AI agents. Oh, okay. Well, we know it's simple and we know it's powerful, and it's a framework for building AI agents. All right. Anyway, it provides LLMs with the agency to interact with the real world, such as searching or generating images. Generating images, people don't like that, but if it's good, people don't care. Because everybody knows how crappy AI images were when they started. I mean, like at first they were like awesome, but then they had to like put 1,000 billion guardrails on them. Also, you know, they kind of did suck actually. So anyway, such as searching or generating images. Anyway, as we learned in Unit 1, AI agents are programs that use LLMs to generate thoughts based on observations to perform actions. True. So let's explore how this is implemented in small agents. Sounds good also. So what did that didn't tell us anything. I mean, isn't that just what an agent does anyway? I don't get it. Anyway, let's just say that it's a simple and powerful framework for building AI agents to interact with the real world by searching for or generating images. There we go. There we go. There we are, right there. Searching for or generating images. I mean, is that all you need it for? Is image search? I mean, like, what's the, you know? What else can you do with it? Because I'm not that impressed. I don't know if you saw yesterday's Fireship video. Let's give me just a second. I'm going to pull that up. Yeah, so basically in yesterday's thing before the commercial started, he said he was talking about hey, somebody said something. Thank you. Ahmed Gamer K3P says you are clever. Oh, I don't even remember doing that, but yeah. sometimes you had to get, sometimes you, honestly, I'm not going to tell you my secret. Thank you. Well, there he is. All right. Shout out to this guy for saying I'm clever. Thank you. Awesome. Back to what we were saying. So fire ship, right? I don't want to get the copyright thing. But yeah, yesterday he was saying that people are starting to realize that AI isn't what these guys are saying. I mean, these guys are throwing money into infinity to get some results. I don't know. Let's get back to it. What are we doing? Where were we? Right here? As we learned in Unit 1, blah, blah, blah. Wait. Yeah, we did that. As we learned in Unit 1, AI agents are programs that do thoughts, observation, actions. Let's do it. All right. Key advantages of small agents. This will be important. Simplicity. Minimal code, complexity, and abstractions. I like the sound of that. To make the framework easy to understand, adopt, and extend. All right. So minimal code, complexity, and abstractions. What? So that, okay, hold on. To make, I don't like, because I don't like the way this looks. Minimal code, complexity, and abstractions to make the framework easier to understand. Oh yeah, we just need to get rid of the comma. To make the framework easy to understand, adopt, and extend. Yeah, that's how we do it. All right, cool. That's what the problem was. No, look, I'm not hating on these bros. They're from like France and Belgium and stuff. They don't know what they're doing. I mean, they do a lot pretty well, but when it comes to the small things, sometimes you gotta fix it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, minimal code, complexity, and abstractions. They're doing a great job. Don't get me wrong. Okay, don't get me wrong. These guys are doing a fantastic job. All right. It's just sometimes there's little things that a person from Texas would see and fix. All right. You know, it's just my little contribution. I'm not doing it to the site though, whatever. Flexible LLM support. Let's see. Flexible LLM support. That's not how you spell that. All right. So it works with any LLM through integration with Hugging Face tools and external APIs. I like the sound of that. Works with any LLM through integration with Hugging Face tools. What does that mean actually? And external APIs. Works with any LLM through integration with Hugging Face tools. Like, are we going to be downloading these tools? Give me a second. Are we going to be doing like pip installs on these tools? Let's ask our buddy. From this page, when it says this, what is it? Does it mean that small agents only works through Hugging Face? Or can we install the stuff on our rig to what are we doing with this? I mean, it only works through Hugging Face, or can we install it on, to make a local, to to make a local agent op. Take your time, Gemini. I know it's a difficult one. Probably it's the middle of the week too. People are using AI like crazy. The kids are off. They want to learn. This is taking forever though. Let's just leave this for later because this is cutting into the notes taking time. We'll put a question mark here if we ever come back to it. I'm pretty sure we can download it though. But yeah, let's go to the next one. Ah, come on. No, that's actually making me irritated. Reset. Slap it in. Grab this. Get rid of it. Press enter. Press submit. Is it really? Okay. Whoa, something did go wrong. 10. And who are we going to ask? Gemini? Nah, I guess Gemini's down. All right, cool. It doesn't matter. Code first approach. Yeah, we're only at 11 minutes. We got plenty of time. Code first approach. What's that? First class support for code agents that write their actions directly in code. Huh? First class support for code agents that write their actions directly in code. You know what? We're probably going to just learn about this, so let's just keep going. Removing the need for parsing. What? And simplifying tool calling. What? Which removes the need for parsing and simplifies tool calling. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but we'll probably learn about that. Take your time. There we go. Finally. No, it does not mean we're locked into Hugging Face ecosystem or limited to external APIs. Excellent. That's all we needed to know. All right, cool. So we're fine. We're fine. We can just get this stuff on our computer. Thanks. Honestly, thanks guys, and not just these guys, but everybody that's contributed to AI and made it open source so far. Good on all of you. Good on all of you. If my dreams come true, let all of your dreams come true as well. Let's go. HF hub integration. HF hub integration. That's not how you spell that. Is that how you spell it? Yep. Seamless integration with the Hugging Face hub, allowing the use of Gradio spaces as tools. I mean, do we want to do that with the Hugging Face hub? Like, do we really want to do that though? Allowing the use of Gradio spaces as tools. Do we really want to do that though? Like, hold on a second. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this line. What do we got? What are we looking at? This. Is this basically a pitch to stay on the HF infrastructure like what Google does? Whole course. Like what Google does with for its infrastructure? Question mark. Let's see. Oh, I didn't like that. Let's do it again. Also, it's going to be a while. All right. So, when to use small agents. Let's do this before we go any deeper on that. When to use, what is it? Small agents. Small agents. All right. It's not really a question. It's telling us when to use it. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. Let's look. One more time. Send it in. Oi, oi, oi. Give me a second. I'm taking this over here. Give me a second. What is this stuff? Gemini is down. Live outage updates. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Let's go here. Yep, it's down. Okay, cool. So that's what's going on with that. One more try. Come on, come on, come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go. Let's go. Aha, right. It's completely valid to see it that way. Hugging Face absolutely uses their education platform to anchor developers in their ecosystem, just like Google uses its tutorials to guide you towards Google Cloud Platform or Firebase. Hugging Face structures its course to show you how seamless things are when you use their hub spaces and hosted inference. Okay. However, there's a distinct difference between what Hugging Face is doing here and a classic big tech walled garden lock-in. Okay. The ecosystem pitch is real. Hugging Face is pitching convenience. In that specific line, they are highlighting that you can instantly turn a public Gradio web app hosted on their servers into a tool for your agent with one line of code. It saves you from writing API wrappers, scraping data, or hosting the utility yourself. They want us to think of the Hugging Face Hub as our agent's cloud backend. True. All right. Core technology is unlocked, unlike Google and AWS. With Google or AWS courses, the underlying tools are often proprietary APIs like BigQuery or DynamoDB, whatever that is. If we want to leave their infrastructure, we have to rewrite our entire code base. Okay. With small agents, the framework itself is fully open source Python code. Awesome. I knew there was a reason we're going to this place. If we look closely at how it handles the infrastructure, the tools, a Gradio space is just a Python script running a web inference. We don't need the hub to use tools, okay? We can write standard Python functions right on our machine, wrap them in the tool decorator, and the agent uses them locally. Okay, great. The models is shown in the, but we still haven't made anything work on the local computer. So that's another thing I'm like questioning. Anyway, so the court, here's the verdict. We can skip whatever this is. Okay, let's read this. As shown in the model integration section of that exact page we were on, this one. They explicitly built in OpenAI server model and light LLM model. That is an intentional escape hatch. It means they are giving us first-class built-in support to point the framework away from Hugging Face and toward a local server running on our own rig, like Olama, VLLM, or LM Studio, whatever that is. Right, the verdict: the course is absolutely a marketing vehicle for Hugging Face's ecosystem, but the software they are teaching us is genuinely open. Thank you. They are pitching the hub as a convenience layer, but the architecture allows us to strip all of it away, keep the library, and run 105% of the execution locally. What is this? Execution locally. How much of this is true? Why'd you say 105? Why'd you say 105%? Let's see what this dumb idiot says. It doesn't know. All right. I don't know. We don't know if we can trust that, actually. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that it said the open source stuff. So we'll use this. Look, if we start making big bucks, right, and we have to choose one of these, we might choose Hugging Face. But if I don't know if going full in with Google or Anthropic or any of those guys is actually a wise idea. Because like I don't know if you've seen the articles, but it said that 95% of AI whatever stuff for making money doesn't work. So, I'm thinking, first of all, well, that's just Google and Anthropic. Let's go with Hugging Face. These guys seem more local computer and non-corporation forward. You know what I'm saying? They're into that. So let's go here. Anyway, let's keep going. So when to use small agents. Actually, it's been 22 minutes. We're going to come back to this. So, all right. Now we're on to when to use small agents. And we'll see you next time.